I will dent his exhaust. I will destroy it if I get a sledgehammer out.
The power of Thor. More gas, more gas. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and at Extreme Mustangs here. A 2013 S197 that it's green. It's pretty nice. Anyway, it's getting a new clutch and we're going to check it out today. Scott's installing the clutch and we're going to check out the car. It gets drag raced a lot. Something a little different. S197 for you guys. So hopefully you foxbody guys like it. And anyway, let's go ahead and get started.
Perfect. Perfect.
This is my favorite S197 front end look. You know, the 1314s, and then this is probably my favorite color. One or two. I like grabber blue too.
Aggressive body styles of the bunch.
Yeah, S197.
Yeah.
Cool. What was your name again, by the way?
Kenny.
Kenny, I'm Matt. It's
Nice
good to meet
to
you.
meet you,
Yeah. They're not stock brakes, right?
These are actually stock brakes.
Are they really? Okay.
But I changed.
I don't know a lot about the 1314. You changed the rotors.
I changed the rotors and the pads. I got ceramic pads on here and Stop Tech drilled and slotted rotors.
You changed out that for Coyote, which is cool.
Yeah.
Okay, this is you changed this in the front too, right, with the horse?
The horse, I changed that. I added this lip to it.
Yeah.
I changed out the lower grill.
Stay busy, Scott.
I did
long tubes. Long tubes, right? Okay.
Long tubes, X pipe, fully built rear.
Yeah, I want to look at this rear here. It looks pretty awesome.
What I did with the rear,
yeah,
I welded the axle tubes
on
the inside and out.
Yeah.
What I did is I went to this guy up in Mooresville.
Mooresville?
Yeah, he's near the track. God, I haven't talked to him in so long.
Okay.
I can't remember his name. But he's got a shop up there.
Yeah.
And he builds tube chassis cars like you see on Street Outlaws.
Yeah.
And what he did was he welded these tubes on the inside and the outside, welded the pins.
Oh, okay.
We changed out the axles to Moser 31 spline axles.
Yeah, 31 spline, yeah.
Yep. We did a Eaton True Track diff. Took out the factory diff. It wasn't broken or anything. I just.
This is aftermarket sway bar, right?
iBox sway bars. Yeah. VMR panhard bar, relocation brackets. Welded those as well. Coney shocks.
Coney shocks.
iBox springs. UPR upper control arms.
So it's lowered too, right?
Arms. Yeah, it's lowered 1.5 inches.
1.5 inches. Okay.
In the rear, 1 inch in the front, and it handles really, really good. Did a one-piece drive shaft to it, Boss manifold.
Yeah, I like the drive shaft too. Yeah, what's done to the motor besides long tubes?
Just the Boss manifold, the
okay.
PMOS cold air.
That's Boss Thera too, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yep. It makes 427 at the wheel at 385 torque.
Naturally aspirated?
Naturally aspirated.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
Revs to 70. I got it set to 7600 right now.
Okay.
And at 7500, she's still making power.
Okay.
MGW race spec, X spec shifter, low profile. I used to have the race spec. Got rid of that for that one there.
It's still the MT82, right? Transmission.
Still the MT82. Yeah. 29,000 miles on the car. That's
okay.
I bought it summer of 2012.
Oh, okay. Did you buy? So you bought it brand new then?
Bought it brand new.
Yeah. You haven't put much mileage on it then over that time.
It's really a weekend and just a track car.
Okay.
I try to keep it out of the bad weather. And I don't drive it in the cold because it just doesn't hook, you know?
I can imagine not.
Yeah. It just doesn't hook, so it's no fun.
That's the most fun when it doesn't hook, right, Scott?
The back end from coming around to meet the front end.
Yeah.
That's the fun.
Yeah, right?
But you know what I've noticed is since that new diff has gone in, what I've eliminated was when it doesn't hook, this motion.
Okay.
Now it's just dead straight.
It's straight no matter what.
Stay straight no matter how much you spin. Now you can get it to go that way if you want it to.
Yeah.
But if you just don't want it to and you just stamp the pedal on a colder day and she starts to spin, it's gonna stay straight.
Okay. Mufflers or stock or
Flowmaster Outlaws.
Flowmaster Outlaws. Okay. All right.
And it's loud.
I bet it
very
is.
loud.
Yeah, it's no cats and long tubes, right? So
Yeah, it's loud.
yeah,
It drones on the highway around. If you're just at like 2,000 RPM,
yeah.
it will drone like crazy. So you want to be a little higher speed to get either just above or slow down a little bit and be just below.
Okay.
And then it won't drone.
I've got a '89 convertible, and it drums really bad.
Yeah.
You know, the old 2-chamber Flowmasters.
This is like you're getting into like a tin can with a loud muffler and blow your eardrums.
It still has more insulation than my foxbody, though. I guarantee.
Really?
Yes.
Oh god.
Those have no insulation at all. So the old clutch you guys pulled out, right?
Yeah, this was the flywheel. Factory
Oh, that's a flywheel, right? Okay.
Yeah, so it's hot spotted, and
So you still had the factory one, and now you're putting the aftermarket flywheel in it, or?
no, what I had in there was a spec stage 1.
Okay.
Which is this one over here. I only got 15,000 miles on it. My original clutch blew up at 15,000 miles. The slave cylinder gave out, and it grenaded my clutch disc and the clutch disc housing.
Was that
It
doing
was in
like a
pieces.
launch, or?
No,
Just-
it was on a pull.
Okay.
I hit about 7,500 RPM.
Yeah.
Went to go to second gear.
Yeah.
I heard kaboom. I thought.
Oh,
it was-
really?
Yeah,
Well, at least
I
it was
thought I
just the
blew
clutch.
transmission.
Well, at least just the clutch.
Yeah, thank
Because these
God.
MT82s, I heard about that kind of stuff on them sometimes. What clutch are you putting in it?
Well,
That's the
as you
Mantic.
said before,
It's a
that
twin
you-
disc 9000 series.
Bullet Mustang.
Takes about 1,000 foot-pounds of torque.
Okay.
Hold up to that. So I figured right now I've got a set of slips at the house. I got a whole drag setup, 15 by 10 in the rear, 17 by 4.5 in front. So I got the rear slicks. I got to get the front tires.
Okay.
This clutch won't hold a slick. So
No, yeah.
I needed to upgrade. And this
The
is,
Mantic gonna be a little easier to drive, you think?
yeah, it's a
More-
slippable clutch.
Okay.
And it's only about 15% stiffer than factory pedal feel.
Cyclone.
I had heard of Mantic before.
Yeah, it's an Australian
Pretty well.
company.
Is it pretty well known with S550s?
It's getting to be, yeah.
Okay.
This is the case it came in.
Yeah, check that out.
Locks and everything.
Oh,
man,
man,
it's
that's
pretty
cool.
baller.
Wow, you got to do something. You should know what? You should put poker chips in here somehow. This would be the awesome poker chip carrying case. Wow, that's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. I'm gonna use it for something.
Yeah, yeah, that's.
I wonder what the case costs to make. I'm sure it's factored into the price of the clutch. Like if it's probably like $300 less if they didn't give me this case.
Probably.
I could do it without the case. Save me some money. It's gonna take about a 1,500 mile braking period though. Which
Really?
sucks.
1,500? Wow, that's a lot.
Mantic says 300 to 500, but from what I've heard around social media and what other people say when
Yeah.
they have it, it's around 1,500 miles.
And that's not just in a gear going. That's changes, right? You got to be changing 1,500 miles worth or close
Yeah.
thereabouts.
City driving, basically.
Yeah, city drive, not highway. What's your you have an Instagram too? Or
No,
just
no,
YouTube,
just the YouTube.
which is Musclecar Lifestyle.
Musclecar Lifestyle.
Yeah, I'll put it on the screen, guys, so you can see. Check his channel out. But it's a pretty awesome car. So, are you gonna give it boost later on? You think? Because the clutch seems like it'll hold more now.
The clutch will hold the boost.
Yeah.
They're trying to convince me a boost, but
Yeah.
I'm scared on this motor because of the limits, and I don't want to pop the motor. I think these motors are around like 600, and with the mods I have now, if I
Yeah.
put boost on them, I think I'm gonna be way past 600.
Well, if you blow the motor, Scott will put a new one in for you.
Yeah, who's gonna pay for it?
He'll give you a discount. Huh?
I'll be doing work in the shop just to pay off the bill.
I've done it before.
Yeah.
Underdrive pulleys, cold air, throttle body.
Unless you got that kind of jack, that new jack, I can't remember.
The power of Thor.
Seen it?
Where's the sledgehammer? Where's the sledgehammer?
Well, I will dent his exhaust. I will destroy it if I get a sledgehammer out.
Hey, you were talking about going to the gym. Scott didn't need to do that. You know why, right? He does this every day. You're gonna be hungry after this, Scott.
But he's saying it's the type of workout he really don't want to do. It's
Yeah.
like he'd rather do a different one.
Your body will thank you later.
At least I know I won't have any leaks.
Yeah, that's right. That looks good.
Yeah.
See, take this bolt out here, you'll be good.
Yeah.
Take that old paint bolt out, we'll be good.
At least we know we're not gonna have any heavy leaks.
There won't be any exhaust leaks, but you don't know about the rattle sound of all the bolts and washers left in the exhaust system.
Well, those will blow out in your first pass. Yeah, that's it. Boss 302 intake. It's a clean car. You can tell he takes care of it.
You're in this car, I'm scared.
He has to take it easy. I rode with him before. He's fine. What's the verdict?
Oh, it's very, very light.
Yeah, much better.
Yeah, yeah. I'm not used to it being that light.
Oh, I'm sure. Yeah.
So
Yeah,
engagement's real good.
Engagement is really good. It's so no chatter. The difference from this to that spec clutch, the spec clutch is so rock hard that you know where it's grabbing, but you have to pretty much launch to take off smoothly. This, when I first pushed it in, it just went really fast to the floor because it's that light. Because I'm used to pushing in a heavy clutch, so now that it's so much lighter, it went to the floor, you know, quicker.
Okay.
And then as you're coming up, I kind of feel like I'm a new stick driver because it's so light. I'm not used to it.
Yeah, you'll just adjust it.
But even take it off like as non-aggressive as I could, it's so smooth. There's no chatter. It's not bucking. It's very smooth engagement.
I have to go for a ride in once you get it broke in.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get together.
Yep.
Yeah, I'll connect with you.
Cool. Guys, we're all finished up here. The clutch in the S197, that changeover went well. He says it feels a lot better, a lot lighter than his other clutch. So if you do want to see more of that car, it's got a great color on it. You can check out his YouTube channel, Musclecar Lifestyle. That'll be in the link in the description below. But yeah, if you want to see more of Kenny's car, check that out. But anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. I do upload 2 times a week, every Wednesday and Sunday. And we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704.